this is where personality and learning a skill come into place, right? So if you want to understand what you have, right, you know the kind of person you are, and you want to know the kind of skill that will work for you very, very well, you want to stick around. So in this section, we are going to be talking about email marketing automation, right? The traits, right? Some of the things that you see for yourself that you have, and you have this already, and you can get into email marketing and email automation, right? So in this particular section, this is the blog section, right? So I had to, because it's more defined, right? So some of the traits: you're organized. If you know you're not organized, you first of all learn how to be organized to do email marketing. You're organized, you're systematic, you are empathetic, you are tech savvy. Now, things that they do in email marketing, they create automation, they create sequence, right? They create uh, triggers at every point on the customer's journey, right? So this is what automation experts, this is what they always do, and some other cool stuff, right? They build systems to encourage, they build systems for easy check-ins, easy bookings, easy appointment deals, easy sending invoice out, easy sending out newsletter, right? So all those things, right? So it's perfect for you if you would enjoy, if you enjoy building systems and workflow, right? So a simple workflow is someone bought a particular product now, right? And immediately a thank you message is going to that person. Then 3 days later, a follow up email is going to that person, right? 7 days later, another email is going up with that person with a product, right? A product and an offer going up, right? If the person did not open that email, you push the person to one side. If the person opened that email, you take up the person again, and those kind of systems, right? So these are what email marketing and automation experts do. That is why I'll think about it, right? So another thing you like, audience segmentation. Yeah, I talked about segmentation and personalizing communication, right? So what audience segmentation and personalizing does is, or what it simply means is, a first person come to meet you, right? Hi, welcome to ECR Technology Services. How are you doing today? And the person replies the email. I'm doing great. What's happening? What do you want to learn? You say, I want to learn data analytics. I want to learn email marketing. I want to learn digital marketing, right? Bam. You take that email, right? Take that email. That person is segmented into a particular section of those who are interested in learning email marketing. Now, the next campaign that is going to be coming in as an email automation expert, as an email marketer, is you're going to be sending more emails that are relating to, oh, this is what you can do with email marketing. This is what you can learn with email marketing. This is how email marketers get job, to that segmented person, to that person that has showed interest in learning email. Now, as an email automation expert, right, as you're going to learn email marketing, you're going to set a flow, right? You're going to, that's what you call flow. You're going to set, you're never going to make that mistake of sending messages that are meant for social media managers or social media people who are interested in social media marketing to those who are interested in email, right? So this is where the segmenting, building, segmenting audiences and personalized communication come in, right? So the next thing is perfect for you if you want to drive conversions quietly, because email are like deadly bullets that, the email is coming in, you're just making the sales, but it's not loud, it's just behind the scenes. Someone just read an email, second email, third email, and the person is buying, and you're not loud, right? So that is for you. So some of the things you enjoy doing as an email marketer, right, is you enjoy crafting automated sequence, right? Just in the, I think doing email marketing is the real definition of sitting from home and making the money, right? Because most of the processes, right, in high end marketing campaigns are almost 100% automated, right? Add to cart, abandon cart. You're sending email. You already bought. Email is coming in. Hope you enjoy this product. Another email. Bonus, freebies, offers. Listen to that email, right? Or you only just to make sure that this sequence are going well, and you're checking up for if there are any drop off at any point, right? So what you're also be doing is going to be improving open and click through rates, right? Open is the fact that, oh, he sent out 1,000 emails and 100 persons opened their email. Perfect. Aside that, after that 100 persons opened the email, only 10 persons, right, made a particular decision. So all those things you want to be checking it out. So these are some of the KPIs and things you're going to be looking. KPIs, I mean key performance indicators. An indicator that shows that you are either performing well or you're not performing well, right? Or a metric rather. So you're using tools like MailChimp, Active, Campaign, and there are lots of email marketing campaigns and this thing, right? So if this looks like what you want to do, right, a little bit up to where I see here, basically, this is just psychology meets process, right? Psychology is about creating flows, personalizing messages, and automating touch points. Right. So I always used to pay more attention to marketing touch point. These are if you understand as an email marketer, right, you need to understand the customer journey, right? So touch point at every point, you need to create a particular automation process for your customers, for your users, right? So if this looks like, oh, this is what I love doing, if you looks like you're being very systematic, right? You like creating systems from child, or you got skills that taught you how to create systems, you look very very organized, right? You're very very empathetic, you are very very comfortable with tech stacks, right? You should do email marketing. Trust me. You enjoy building systems that feel personal and efficient, you should do email marketing. You enjoy creating, you just want to think about, oh, I want to create a big automation system that will help somebody do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, without the person active manually doing it all by himself. You need email marketing and automation, right? And I want to make sure that I get like 2-3 persons who are going to connect with me that are also into email marketing and automation, because I really need to have like a real time discussion. I'm so much in love with automation at this point, right? And for the next one, we're going to be doing web analytics and data intelligence, right? I love this, another part I love so much, right? And see you in the next one. Keep doing marketing, keep doing digital marketing. Cheers.